Are you interested in knowing how to make an adjustment or a miscellaneous receipt in the Accounts Receivable module in SYSPRO? Then keep watching this tutorial. This tutorial will include the following: posting a positive adjustment to an invoice, posting a negative adjustment to an invoice, posting multiple adjustments to a customer, and lastly, posting a miscellaneous receipt. Welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to continue with the accounts receivable payments. This is part 2. So let's get started. So we're going to start by going to accounts receivable. Then we're going to go to transaction processing. Okay, we're going to scroll for AR payments and adjustments. We're going to click there. Okay, there we go. I'm just going to maximize my screen. On transaction type, we're going to select adjustment because we're making an adjustment. Then we're going to select our customer on customer. So we're going to enter the customer code. Then we're going to tap off. Okay, great. On adjustment amount, we're going to enter the amount that we want to make an adjustment with. Okay. Then we come here on bank deposit slip details. Again, we have to select our bank. However, I'm not going to select a different bank because the selected one is the one I want to select. Then we're going to select our payment type. I'm going to select other. Okay, then afterwards, we're going to come here on the bottom pane and we're going to select our invoice. There we have it. Then we're going to come all the way to adjustment amount inclusive to enter our adjustment amount. Okay, perfect. We're going to tap all the way to the journal notation to enter our journal notation, which is amount increased. Okay. Then we're going to click on post to post our adjustment. Okay. As you can see, it's notifying us that your transaction has been posted successfully. Then we're going to close this program. And that is how you post a positive adjustment to an invoice. We're going to start by going to accounts receivable. Then we're going to go to transaction processing and we're going to look for AR payments and adjustments. Okay, I'm just going to maximize the screen. On transaction type, we're going to select adjustment. On customer, we're going to enter our customer code, then we're going to tap off. This time we are making a negative adjustment, so we have to put the minus in front. Then we're going to enter the amount and we're going to tap off. Again, we're going to select our bank. So this is the bank I still want to continue using, so I'm not going to make any changes there. Then I'm going to select other on my payment type. Then I'm going to select my invoice. Okay, so again, this is going to be the last one. Okay, perfect. Then I'm going to come on adjustment amount inclusive to enter my negative adjustment. Then I'm going to tap off all the way to the journal notation to enter amount error. Okay. Then I'm going to click on post. As you can see, we have a pop-up that says your transaction has been posted successfully. Perfect. Then we're going to close this program. And there we have our journal entry popping up. And that is how you post a negative adjustment to an invoice. We have realized that 80% of our viewers are not yet subscribed. We are going to give you a chance to subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Now let's continue with the tutorial. We're going to start by going to accounts receivable. Then we're going to go to transaction processing and we're going to select AR payments and adjustments. Okay, then I'm just going to maximize my screen. Transaction type, we're going to select adjustment. We're going to tap off to enter our customer code. Okay, I'm just going to say okay. Then we're going to come all the way to bank deposit slip details, and we're going to enter our bank details. So this is how I want it, so I'm not going to make any changes. On payment type, I'm going to select other. Okay, perfect. Then we're going to come to the bottom pane where we're going to select our invoices. I'm going to start with the credit note. As you can see here on type, it's written C, which is credit note. Then we're going to come on the adjustment amount inclusive to enter our adjustment amount, which is a negative 600. We're going to tap off to enter our reference. Then we're going to tap off to enter our journal notation. Okay, perfect. Then we're going to select our second invoice. And again, we're going to come on the adjustment amount inclusive to enter our adjustment. We're going to then tap off to enter our reference. We're going to tap off to enter our journal notation. Okay, perfect. Okay, then we're going to click on post. Okay, then we have a notification here that says your transaction has been posted successfully. Then we're going to close the program. There we have our journal entry. And that is how you post multiple adjustments to a customer. So we're going to start by going to accounts receivable. Then we're going to go to transaction processing. Okay, and we're going to select AR payments and adjustments. Then I'm going to maximize my screen. On transaction type, we're going to select miscellaneous receipt. Perfect. On receipt bank, we're going to select our receipt bank. Mine is already selected for me. On branch, you're going to select your branch. I'm going to leave mine as is. And on receipt amount, you're going to then enter your receipt amount. Okay, we're going to tap off to enter the reference. And we're going to tap off all the way to the credit ledger code to enter our credit ledger code. Okay, so 04610. There we have it. Okay, and then on the journal notation, we're going to then enter our journal notation. Okay, then we're going to say okay, perfect. Then we're going to come here on the bank deposit slip details to enter our details further. So on payment type, we're going to select cash. Okay, perfect. Then we're going to click on post. And there we have a notification. Your transaction has been posted successfully. We're going to close this program. And there we have our journal entry. And that is how you post a miscellaneous receipt. We have reached the end of today's tutorial. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and comment which videos you'd like to see next. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our uploads. Do connect with us on LinkedIn. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We have